Thank you, OPPSDECOR, for gifting me this multi-purpose bench here. There's a big old hefty box here. Go nowhere. I gotta do my intro first, honey. She is Tamika and Tamika is she. A. She is Tamika and Tamika is she. A. She is Tamika and Tamika is me. High five. Alright, so as you can tell from the title of this video, OPPSDECOR has gifted me a workout bench. So we're going to unbox it and we're just going to get into it and see what this bench can do for your girl as she is getting into her fitness journey. She is trying to tone up and body recomp. So let's go ahead and get into this video. So this box is tall. All right. So a lot of tape to get through. Who needs scissors when I got arms? I love unboxing. It's like it's Christmas. All right, we almost there, honey. Okay. Wait a minute. This is a lot. I gotta put all this together. You see what's inside here? Ooh, this is a lot. What is that over there? Oh my gosh. Yee. Woo. Instructions. I need pictures. We got this. Is it labeled? Honey. Smells so fresh. I love that. I love that. We got these things here. It's so many pieces. Okay. All right. You know I'm gonna have to put some of this together off camera, right? Because I'm not good with directions. Ooh. Ooh. Says 60, 50, 40, 30, 20, 10, 0. That's at an angle, how you want your seat. Because this might take me a minute. Yeah, this is a lot. But it's my own home gym bench workout. All right. Okay. All right. All right. We got a lot. What? No, these are not labeled because these. Okay. Let me just take everything out. Take one thing at a time. You know, don't stress. We got this. Whew. That's a lot. Bench before, but never had to put one together. So this is special to me. So I'm going to go ahead and put some of this together. Once I get things up and going, then I'll come back to you. I still feel like I'm doing something wrong. This is not fun. Oh. I'm using the QR code, which has a YouTube video on here. Yeah. This is not fun. That's all I gotta say. This is really not fun putting it together. Like literally my back hurts right now. I'm sore. So I'll be back. All-in-one sit-up bench, romaine chair, professional bench for full body exercise for a home gym. So this is extended support design 3-in-1 weight bench, romaine chair, sit-up bench. Another thing that I love is that they have calf positions, seat positions, back pad positions, support end positions, all different angles. So more on the display here, they have angle identification, dumbbell storage, elastic rope. You also can store your elastic rope on the sides as well. They have adjustable thickened seat cushions, anti-slip pedals, and widened preacher curl pads. So here are the different multifunctional full body workouts that you can use while using this bench here. I cannot wait to use it in my future workouts. Honey, you can get those abs, you can get those curls, you can get the chest, you can get the glutes, the lower back, everything. There is a guide that will show you the different type of exercise moves that you can use while you want to get your full body workout on. But you just got to keep watching and you'll see. Here are the measurements. And as I stated earlier, you can store the elastic ropes on the side of the bench here. So this is a pretty hefty, thick bench, okay? Now, let's go ahead and get into what Tamika has put together. Overall, the assembly, putting it together was pretty simple, like far as the base, putting the seats and the pads and stuff, but it's just that little angle where you have to do the adjustments for, you know, for your the back pad seat to go up and down. That was the part that was a little bit challenging for me, but I do suggest, you know, getting someone to help you out, you know. Now let's get into what I put together. Okay, I finally got it together before nightfall. All right, so here we go. Here's the whole thing. This is what it looks like. It's huge and it's heavy. All right, so let's go ahead and do a little demonstration. I'm not going to do a full workout because this was a workout putting it together. Sorry, this is not going to be a full workout. But one of the things I like about it is that I can lift this, I can lift this as high as I want it by twisting the knob here. Put it on 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, or 1. But this is perfect, I'm assuming. You gotta lift these glutes like this. Push this down a little bit, I can. You do it like that. I can lift it up. Well, I guess I want it to go up a little bit more. I mean my chest. But here goes the numbers. Right here. Where you can lift it as high as you want. OPPSDECOR. Okay, so here's the exercise guide. You can do this. So it has a little guide here. Ooh, you can work your obliques that way. Obliques this way. Do arms. Oh yeah, this is good. I like this. And you can lay it upward 90 degrees or you can lay it flat. Again, when it comes down to storage, you will not be able to bend this up. So if you do have an exercise room, this will be perfect for it. I don't. Check out the link in the description below. You can purchase this item off of Amazon. So please go head over there. Check out the other workout equipments that they do have on their site. Again, it is on Amazon, and click the link below. Thank you, OPPSDECOR, for gifting me this multi-purpose bench here. So I can't wait to use it in my future fitness videos. Until then, thank you so much for watching. Goodbye, gorgeous.